Dreams are not what you see in your sleep, but dreams are something that does not let you sleep. My life is worthless without football. Talent is not everything. I'm having a dream from which I never want to wake up. I have never tried to hide the fact that my only goal is to be the best. I know that I am a good professional. I know that no one has it harder than me, and that will never change under any circumstances. I think having a baby is the best thing in life. Your love makes me strong, your hate doesn't stop me. My son watches Macy's videos. I never felt bad. My son watches one of the best players in the world. Stay strong, be brave, push through.